The way I have my kit set up is I use my loadout, which is my bug out loadout, but it's also the same gear set that I use for all my camping, all my outdoor stuff. So at one point in the past, I had different loadouts for different things. So I had bags that had bug out gear in them. I had bags that had inch gear in them, and I had bags that had, vehicle repair and emergency stuff in them. And sometimes I would switch that stuff in and out depending on what I was doing. Well, over the years, that's just kind of all melded together to where now I basically have my loadout that stays in my vehicle all the time, and it's what I camp with, it's what I have with me when I'm out exploring in the backcountry, and it's also the gear that I would use in the event that I were to bug out of town and have to live off the land or survive out in the wilderness for a while, so to speak. So my point is that over time, all that gear is blended together, and it's the gear that I'm using all the time on my camping trips and doing what I do for enjoyment that's also the same gear that I would be depending on in a bug out situation. And I think for me that accomplishes a couple of things. One, I'm always testing my gear. I'm always testing the gear that I would theoretically be dependent upon in the event of some type of a bug out situation. So that's the first thing, is I have a high degree of confidence in how that gear performs, how all of that individual equipment performs, and how it all performs together as a system. And to me, another benefit of that, having this single system that I use for everything, is the level of comfort that I have with this gear. So I'm using this gear so often, just out camping, exploring, doing all the things I love to do in the backcountry, that if there ever was a situation where I depended on it, I already have a really high level of comfort with it. Most of this gear, I know exactly where everything is. I can bring it in and out of the vehicle in the dark or the daylight or a snowstorm. I can set it up in the dark. I can set it up in a variety of weather conditions. So it's just a set of gear that I'm really comfortable with. So for me, I feel like it works well to have one set of gear that I'm using for everything that also stands as my bug out or my inch out gear, the gear that I would use in the event of some kind of a catastrophic situation that warranted me heading out of town. I hear a lot of different opinions about this. I hear people say, well, you should put your bug out gear away and never use it so that you know it's all together and there. And I think there's some value to that. I think that makes a certain degree of sense. The one thing that I have to always be cognizant of is whatever I use out of my gear, whatever I break out of my gear, when I get back from a trip, the first thing I do is I replace that. If I eat 3 Mountain House meals while I'm out, when I get back home, I put 3 Mountain House meals back in my food box. If I break a piece of equipment while I'm out in the field on a trip, when I get back, I have to replace that piece of equipment. But basically all the time now, all my gear just rides with me in my vehicle, and my entire system is ready to go at any given moment, and it's a complete system of gear that I have a high level of confidence and skill with. Having said all that, that may work better for me since I do spend so much time out in the backcountry, in the desert, in the woods. That may not work so well for somebody that doesn't get as much time out in the field. And what I would say is that we all have to do the best we can with what we have to work with. Try to play to our strengths and try to set up a system that works well for us, for our situation. But for me, having one universal set of gear that's not only my gear that I use for enjoyment, but also would stand as my bug out gear, works really well.